Okay, I decided to make the inner grill cloth area, the cutout area, just a little darker. I'm just using one of my old furniture markers, and you can see the area that I've highlighted so far. And for some reason I don't like that. I'll just go back and lightly sand it off, or just use some steel wool. Plans are to use a lighter colored grill cloth, probably that yellowish hue that was in here originally. So I think that'll pop nicely with just a little darker frame. Just taking my finger and rubbing this in as needed. May take a couple applications to get the depth of color that I want. It kind of gives it that reddish hue. It's just the marker again with the existing stain. Grab some grill cloth here. Just some old pieces of various grill cloth. Won't take much to cover the area. Something like that will probably work well. See if I've got a bigger piece. There we go. I can just use the reverse side of that. Here's a bigger piece of it. See what else I've got hidden in here. That's similar to what was used. That's too bright yellow in my opinion. That may work, but that's a little dull. That's not bad. I think I've used this before and spray some toner lacquers on it just to change the hue. And you can see I did indeed do that, so that's a possibility. A little too showy here. And these are too dark. And one more pattern that may work. And the look I was going for, you can see the two-tone. I think that's dark enough. Looks good with the very rustic finish. Again, then I'll choose this lighter tone grill cloth, which will pop. I'll get the little badges on there and the escutcheons. And I've got to come up with a couple knobs. I've just got that taped in. I'm going to let you guys decide on the grill cloth. We'll call this selection number 1 and number 2. Ignore the alignment there. I'm just holding it in with my hand. See if I can get back in the same lighting. And number 3. That looks pretty good. You guys drop me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are. And one more just to make it interesting. Number 4. You can see the diamond pattern.